to the ugly stump. Oh, what are we gonna do here, Meg? Killer.
Come to that rock, just straight in, right to the bottom of the corner of that rock. Just ride your front wheel into it nice and slow. Yeah. Now you're going to want your front wheel up on here. Yeah, now pivot over, now bring that over here. Yeah, now just roll over. Trust me, it'll grip really easy. Just roll this way. Right here. Just walk your bike towards it, move, track it over. Trust me, you can crawl right up it. I just did.
Okay.
Yep, see, you're up for it.
Smoke show! Smell of.
It's not as hard as it looks.
Not with a tire like this.
It spins really fast, but when it hits, it goes.
Yeah.
Like, it's unbelievable. It goes really fast and it goes. Oh, it feels like it goes in slow motion.
Yeah. I saw something like that effect happen on your tire last time we were in here, actually, probably on that spot.
Yeah.
Down there.
Pretty cool. Okay, gotta get over the log and then you gotta climb up.